starters' hands for the under 10 mixed 4x200 metre final. Lane 1 we've got Wangaratta, lane 2 Camperdown, lane 3 Mentone, lane 4 Moorabbin, lane 5 Brimbank, lane 6 Berwick, lane 7 Whittlesea, and lane 8 we've got Knox. So Knox running way out there in lane 8. They're looking pretty comfortable at the moment to make the first change. We shall see as we pick him up after the change. Good to see some country centres making their way over to state, Subway State Relay Championships. And Knox are clearly out in front now with a 3 or 4 metres in front. So Knox will come in and change first. Whittlesea will change first. Knox is coming in second. And I'm not sure who that runner is, but look at that little guy go. He's certainly giving it everything. Coming through the stagger now, he takes first position, getting waved on by his team members. You can see them excitedly waiting for the baton. Looks like a good change there. Couple of good changes as they come through and pick up the 4th and final runner. It's going to be close now. Whittlesea out in front, pushing hard and doing well. Whittlesea clear winners for the gold, with Knox coming in at second and third going to Brimbank. Great run by the boys in the under 10 4x200 metre final.